In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export beautiful PDFs from Notion. Whether you're sending a resume, sharing a project brief, or handing off notes to a client, a crisp PDF makes your Notion content look polished and professional. We'll keep it quick and clear, and by the end, you'll have a downloadable file that mirrors your page layout without surprises. I'm working from the Notion desktop app, but the exact same clicks apply in the browser. First, open the Notion page you want to share and head to the top right corner of the page. Click the three dots, often called the More or Page menu. This menu is where Notion keeps page-level actions like templates, updates, and export tools. If your window is narrow, hover near the corner so the button appears. Clicking it doesn't change your content. It simply opens the settings for the page you're viewing. From that menu, choose Export. This opens Notion's export window, which gathers everything it needs from the page. You'll see options that control how the file is generated, and this is where you confirm the format. Export collects your text, headings, images, and basic layout, so the result looks consistent outside of Notion. Think of it as a snapshot of the page that's ready for printing or sending, without requiring the recipient to have a Notion account. Under Export Format, select PDF. PDF is ideal because it preserves typography and spacing across devices, and it prevents accidental edits by the recipient. Other formats are available, but for a clean, shareable document, PDF is the safest choice. After you pick PDF, give your content a moment to process. Notion prepares a print-friendly version that respects your headings, callouts, checklists, and images. Clear section titles and balanced spacing tend to translate best, so well-structured pages usually yield the most professional results. Finally, click Export. Notion will generate the file, and your system will either ask where to save it or place it in your default downloads folder. When it's done, open the PDF to review. If something looks off, tweak the layout back in Notion and run the same export again. Small changes like shorter line lengths or fewer side-by-side elements often improve readability. That's all there is to it. You've turned a Notion page into a polished PDF that's ready to email, print, or attach to your portfolio. Keep this workflow in mind whenever you need a consistent professional snapshot of your workspace. Now let's jump in and make your documents shine.